Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sherry and my channel is Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here for the August Open Collab that's going to be hosted by myself and Susan from Susan Hiles Art. And in case you've never seen any of my videos before or haven't heard of our collabs, we've been doing open collabs for a while now. Every month we have a new one. So this month is going to be hashtag show us how you organize. And that'll be the hashtag that you would put in your title if you choose to participate. And the way you participate is just post a video of your reorganization. You can show us, yourself organizing, or you can just have it organized and show us what you did. You know what I mean? Like it's already done and now you're going to show us your idea, right? So you just post your video on we're going to be doing this the next 3 Fridays. And you would just link our channels, Susan and I's. Let us know that you're going to participate and we'll add you to our description boxes. Be a subscriber to both of our channels and you should be good to go. All of this will be in my description box if you need to, refresh your memory on what is what. So this will be in there and then the prompts will be in there. So this here, if you can read this, if you want to read this along with me, it just says, take us along with you as you organize an area of your craft space. Share with us how you currently organize an area in your craft space. So the prompts are suggestions, ideas, but if there's something on that you want to organize that is not on the list, please share your idea with us. So the prompts for next Friday are paper, ephemera, and stickers. The next Friday is ink, adhesive, and tools. And the next Friday, or the last Friday in August, will be lace, ribbon, and buttons, and fabric. Now you can also change these around. If you wanted to do fabric on the first Friday, that would be fine. Or if you want to mix it up, do stickers and buttons on the first Friday. Anything like that. We are very relaxed, and this is a no stress kind of collab. We just like to have fun and do something interesting, and this month it'll be organizing. So I'm going to take you over real quick and show you my paper. I've already done some videos and shorts on reorganizing because I got started a couple weeks ago, because this collab, and when Susan and I were talking about it, got me very inspired. So I'm going to show you my paper one more time just as a reference as to an idea, and then by next Friday I'm going to show you my ephemera and stickers. So let me take you over to my paper just a second. Okay, so I'm going to show you from a distance here, kind of take you around real quick as a reminder, because I already showed you this in a video, but this was a cluttered, kind of piled, falling over stack of papers over in the corner. These sewing patterns right here were stacked up back in the corner in back of the paper, very hard to reach and get to, east and see. So anyway, this is all reorganized now. This whole shelf I finished. I can add a little bit, I have a little bit of room to add a few things, but that's sewing patterns, music, some stationery items. That's a pile of music right there. That's my papers, all different papers there. I like these letter trays myself. And so, yeah, everybody has different spaces, but it's fun to watch reorganization videos, and you can pick and choose what you might want to do and what will work in your craft area, right? So more letter trays with my papers, and I can add to these. Of course, I've got lots of room in some of these trays. And then my file folders that I recycled, I bring home from work and recycle. They're in these just stacked in spaces where they fit, like this one fit here. It's I bring them home from work and use them in my journals and things. So that's one, and there's one right back there too. And then as you go around, you see the rest of my letter trays here with all my odds and ends papers, vintage papers, and papers I find at thrift stores and things like that. So, and I did add 2 more letter trays from my last video. I did find 2 more of this color at Dollar Tree. I actually found 3 more, but the other third one wouldn't fit up there. I can't pile this all the way up because I have another shelf up there. Like my ceiling goes pretty high, but I have to be able to get to this shelf here, which is another reorganization project I will eventually get to. So this is going to take a while because I just do a little bit at a time when I have time, and then I'm doing shorts and kind of update videos on what I'm doing in case you need ideas. And I really enjoy organizing. It's kind of like in my blood. My whole family is very detail-oriented perfectionists, so I really enjoy organizing, and so I'll be sharing with you. So I hope you get inspired, or if you need to reorganize something, that you will organize with us and let us know that you would like to participate. And I think this will be a lot of fun. So I will see you next Friday, where I will be working, or have already worked on, my stickers and my ephemera. So I'll see you then. Don't forget to check out Susan's video, because I'm sure she'll have some good ideas for you too. And her channel will be linked below. Thanks for watching today. Have a great night. Happy organizing.